my dear children. Good morning. I wish you a very happy and pleasant morning. Okay. So last we completed up to activity number 5 also we completed. So our activity number 4, 6 and that all remaining now. So starting with activity number 4. Answer the following questions. First, what did Mullah brother-in-law ask? How did Mullah reply? This is the question. So answer will be what? So the answer is, Mullah's brother-in-law asked, "Are you asleep?" He asked, "No, are you asleep?" to Nashruddin. He replied, "Why? What is it? What you want like that?" Then brother-in-law told, "I wanted a 300 rupees loan." In that case, Mullah Nashruddin said that I am asleep, so go away and do not bother me. So we discussed only like that. Mullah don't want to give the money. So what he told that yes, I am asleep, go away. So this is the answer. Second, why was Mullah's neighbor sad? Why he was sad? Mullah's neighbor was sad because of lack of space in his house. He has lack of space now. His wife and mother-in-law and children do not get enough space to live. So he was sad because of lack of space in his house. Third, what was Mullah's advice to his neighbor? What advice did Mullah give to his neighbor? So let's discuss. Mullah advised to his neighbor that to bring chickens, 10 chickens, donkeys and goat and keep it inside your house. What he told? That to bring chickens, donkey and goat inside in his house. That was his advice. Now the next question is, how did Mullah solve his neighbor problem? How he solved his neighbor problems? By these things that bring donkey, bring chickens and goat. How? So the answer is, Mullah advised to his neighbor that to bring chicken, goat and donkey together inside the house. He told now that to keep inside all the things in your house for some day. Then after some day, Mullah told, go home and take it all animals back outside. This way Mullah solved his neighbor problem. So what first he told? That please bring all that donkeys, chicken and goat in your house. So what Mullah want to make him realize that it is enough space only. So after some day what he told? Now told them to go outside all. Okay. So like this he solved the problem. So you have to write like this. Mullah's advice to his neighbor that to bring chicken, goat and donkey together inside the house for some day. Then after some day Mullah told to go home and take all the animals back outside. This way Mullah solved his neighbor problem. Okay. Now moving further with our activity number 5 only, but in that here is a phrase. The ring of an emperor is the emperor ring. Okay. So the idea of a Birbal is Birbal ideas. Like that you have to make phrase. The advice of a courtier is courtier advice. The palace of king is known as what you known as king palace. So here you have to make phrase only. So there will become king palace only. Okay. Den of a lion, lion's den. Now activity number 6, listen and repeat the following pace after your teacher. So you have to repeat. We have done already the exercise and it is not useful, so we will not do it. Okay. Activity number 7 also we don't need right now. And now activity number 8. So this I have given you. Okay. That who give milk, I lay eggs, I give you milk, all these things. So you just have to write in textbook. This also will not do. Now what? We will not do activity number 10, 8, but I will just speak the names. Okay. I give wool. Who give wool? Sheep. I lay eggs. Who lay eggs? Who lay eggs? Hen. I give you milk. Cow. I carry loads. Donkey. I nigh horse. I am man best friend. Who is man best friend? Dog. I live in sty. Who live in sty? Pig. Pig live in sty. I bleat. Who will come? I bleat. Sheep. I am the sheep of the desert. There, camel. Okay, so today we completed revision of unit number 6, 7 and 8. Just you have to read it and you just do properly. Okay, write all the things in exam. You don't know, then also try to write something related to it. Don't write any other things but related to it. Okay, and you have to write by yourself, not with your help of elder brother, sister or any mother. Okay, thank you children. Have a nice day and best of luck to you for your exams. Bye bye.